Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a little mukbang. If you guys want to watch me eat, just tune in. I hope you guys enjoy. Gammy will be eating with me too today. And my other daughter Aubrey, she's in the background eating too. She will not be in the video today. Look at her. Today I will be eating a spicy chicken sandwich I made. Got a lot of ketchup on it. Got these curly fries. They're called zesty curly fries. I don't know if you guys like them. Let me know if you guys like them. How's your food, Gammy? Want some juice? She's fat like her mom. Is your food good? Aubrey says her food's good too. Make sure it's like a big little snatch. Got for you. Done? I think she's done. She was eating a little bit before I started on camera, so I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna set her up so she can relax and drink her drink. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, she's good now. Finished eating my food. I'm starving. I have no tomatoes. Oh. It's just a spicy chicken sandwich with ketchup, mayo, and lettuce, which is bomb. Orange juice. Yes, I do prefer apple over orange. It was just my drink of choice for right now. Don't mind my daughter singing in the background. She gets it from her mom. My kids are watching Bread Barbershop. I don't know if you guys have seen it before, or if any of you guys have kids who watch it, but I think it's a good cartoon. I love it. Whoever made that cartoon is very creative. Hmm. Hear that? That crunch. That's the burnt fry. Other. Who else does this? So I have ketchup and mayo on my sandwich, but I still dip it in more ketchup. Hmm. It's a little spicy. The baby, Lauren, aka Gammy, she's a breastfed baby, so she cries a lot for my attention. Mm. So I just started my YouTube channel. Haven't really been uploading because I have been having other stuff going on. And I want to give you guys good stuff to watch. So starting YouTube is something I've been wanting to do, but you know, takes time, creativity. You gotta always stay doing stuff, entertaining stuff. Ketchup on me. It's my little wigette. That's what I call my wigs, my wigettes. I love it. Makes me look grown. I'm used to wearing box braids. I'm a single mommy of 2 girls. Aubrey and Lauren. Maybe one day you guys can meet Aubrey. And right now I just want to keep her private. She's about to start school. And You know, you never know where stuff leads. So don't. I wonder if you guys can hear that crunch. Hope you guys enjoy this little headshot of me eating. Just doing this just to have a video up on my channel. Another video. I'll do better, guys. I promise. I'll do little mukbangs with better food. Next time you guys can see the plate. I want you guys to see the there's ketchup everywhere. Smell it. Wanna look and see you? Take a bite. He wanna watch you eat. That was good. I'm done. Gonna finish drinking my orange juice. Hopefully the next video I can do you guys apartment tour. See my little apartment. And tell you guys more about myself. It's so weird. I'm gonna get used to it though. I'm gonna get used to vlogging. Just attacking the plate right now. Here you go. Here, since mommy's gonna eat it, I'm gonna let you show them. Show them bite. Show them bite. Is it good? Let me get it on me. You're icky. You be icky now. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mukbang. Enjoy your night. See you guys in the next video. Peace.